Hi Mythical Makers, I'm Will.
I'm Katie.
And we're from the St. Johns County Public Library System, and thanks for joining us for our summer kids crafts, which are based off of different mythologies around the world. Make sure to stop into your local library branch because we also have books that talk about the different mythologies that these creatures come from. And I hope you guys enjoy this craft. And this week we're going to be making a paper Khepri beetle, and he's a beetle that works for the sun god Ra in Egyptian mythology and actually pushes the sun up every morning, much like a dung beetle.
Thanks for joining us today, guys. Don't forget to like and share on Facebook and YouTube.
And if your adult's okay with it, we would love to see your creation shared with us on our Instagram page. And we look forward to seeing you all next time. Have a great day.